Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. The Galaxy Watch 3 expected to be unveiled sometime next month, but most of these features have been leaked. We had exclusive leaks and its specification last week, and then live images of the smartwatch were revealed just one day later thanks to NRR certification. Now more images of the Galaxy Watch 3 have been leaked, and this time the display is turned on. The Galaxy Watch 3's app launcher and the setting menu are visible in leak image. All the usual Samsung stock apps seems to be present on the device. If you can notice, the app icon for calendar and Galaxy Store apps seems to be have slightly more different design and color. This points toward the newer version of Tizen OS that could be revealed alongside the upcoming smartwatch. The Galaxy Watch 3 also has physical rotating bezel and two buttons on the right side. As we reported earlier, the Galaxy Watch 3 will come in two different sizes, 41mm and 45mm. The 41mm version will have a 1.2-inch screen, while the 45mm version will have 1.4-inch screen. Both variants will have Gorilla Glass DX protection, IP68 certification. The watch will have 1GB RAM and 8GB storage. It will run on Tizen OS 5.5 and features Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi. Other features of Galaxy Watch 3 include heart rate monitor, ECG, blood pressure monitoring, and sleep tracking. 41mm version of smartwatch will be powered by 247 mAh battery, while the 340 mAh battery will be powered to the 45mm variant. The watch will be available in stainless steel and titanium finishes. We first reported 4 months ago that the successor to the Samsung Galaxy smartwatch with the physical rotating bezel may finally be in the work. We have now found interesting bit of information about the new Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. We have seen aluminum and stainless steel on Samsung's smartwatch before. This time around, Samsung is going to offer titanium as well. This will be the first instance of the titanium case on Samsung smartwatch. Hardly surprising given that the Apple Watch Series 5, launched late last year, will also come with the titanium for the first time. Titanium isn't new material for watches. It's been long used for conventional watches.